Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we are going to read practice book. This is your book and we are going to read fourth lesson of this book and it is describing words. Look at this children. Till now we have already read naming words, replacing words and how many means numbers, one and many numbers. Today we are going to start describing words. Let's see first what is describing words. The words that describe or tell something about a naming word or noun are called describing words. You can see here children, you have to write this definition of describing words in your copy and have to learn it. Now take some example. Here you can say a fat boy, two boys, a happy boy, a tall boy, a thin boy. You can see that boy is a naming word and different words are describing the word boy. When we say that a fat boy, it means a boy who is fat, like this one. When we see two boys, it is describing the number of boys, means this picture. Look at this. Here are two boys in this picture. When we say a happy boy, it means a boy who is happy. Means he. Look at this. He is looking happy, isn't he? Okay. A tall boy. When we say that, it means a boy who is tall. Look at this picture. He is looking tall. Okay. He is looking tall. It means he is a tall boy. A thin boy. And he is a thin boy. It means all are the pictures of boys here and these words fat, two, happy, tall, thin are describing the naming word boy. It means these are describing word. Okay children? Okay, now let's read. Aladdin was a poor boy. He lived in a small hut. One day he found a magic lamp. You can see here that the word poor is in black letters and it describes the word boy. Aladdin was a poor boy. It means what type of boy Aladdin was? He is a poor boy. Means poor is a describing word and boy is a naming word. He lived in a small hut. In which type of hut he lived? He lived in a small hut. It means hut is a naming word and small is a describing word. Small is describing the hut. What type of hut it is. Then one day he found a magic lamp. What type of lamp he found? A magic lamp. Means magic is a describing word and lamp is a naming word because magic is describing the word lamp. Okay children? Now similarly we will take some more sentences. A powerful genie lived inside the lamp. Here you can see that the word powerful is describing genie. What type of genie it is? Powerful. He had black eyes and a big round belly. You can see that here black word is describing eyes and big and round. Two words, big and round, are describing belly. Belly means stomach. So what type of belly he has? He has big and round belly. Third number, he promised to grant Aladdin 3 wishes. How many wishes he promised to grant? 3 wishes. Wishes is a naming word and 3 is adjective, means describing word. You can see here that describing words or adjectives we can say, or we can call adjectives also. Describing words or adjectives tell us what kind of, how many, what color, shape, etc. persons, places or things are. Means what kind of persons, how many persons, what color of persons, what shape of things. All these things, the word which describes is called a describing word. Okay children, hope you understood. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.